Hello everyone! Is your car losing power, running rough, or showing a check engine light? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0667 intake manifold tuning control module voltage too high, this means a possible issue with your car's air intake system, wiring, or control module. In this video, I'll explain what P0667 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0667 trouble code stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Control Module Voltage Too High. Your car's Intake Manifold Tuning Control Module, TCM, is responsible for adjusting the airflow through the intake manifold based on engine demands. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the TCM voltage, and if it detects a voltage that is too high, it triggers P0667. This issue can lead to poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential damage to the intake system. Common symptoms of P0667: check engine light on loss of power and acceleration, rough idling or engine misfires, increased fuel consumption, unusual engine noises from the intake manifold. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0667. To diagnose P0667, check these key parts. Intake Manifold Tuning Control Module, TCM. Location, mounted on or near the intake manifold close to the throttle body. Function, controls airflow into the engine. If it fails, airflow adjustments become inaccurate. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, sends and receives voltage signals to from the TCM. If malfunctioning, it can send incorrect voltage readings. TCM wiring and connectors location, runs from the TCM to the PCM, along the intake manifold. Function, transfers voltage signals. A shorted or broken wire can cause high voltage errors. Throttle body and position sensor TPS. Location, attached to the throttle body, near the intake manifold. Function, works with the TCM to regulate airflow. A malfunction can trigger incorrect airflow readings. Vacuum hoses and sensors. Location, connected to the intake manifold and throttle body. Function, helps control air pressure. Leaks or blockages can cause irregular voltage readings. Common causes of P0667 faulty TCM intake manifold tuning control module. If defective, it may send high voltage signals. Shorted or damaged wiring. Frayed or corroded wires can cause excess voltage in the circuit. PCM malfunction. If the PCM reads voltage incorrectly, it may trigger the code unnecessarily. Vacuum leaks or intake manifold blockage can cause the control module to overcompensate and send excess voltage. Sensor failure, TPS, TCM, map sensor. Incorrect signals can cause high voltage readings. How to fix P0667. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. Check if other intake system-related codes are present. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or loose wires. Step 3. Test the TCM module. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Step 4. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect hoses and seals around the intake manifold. Step 5. Replace the TCM if needed. Use an OEM part for reliability. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and verify the fix. Ignoring P0667 can lead to engine performance issues, rough idling, and even damage to your intake system. Fixing this issue ensures proper airflow management and better fuel efficiency. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0590, Cruise Control Multifunction Input. A Circuit High P0591, Cruise Control Multifunction Input. B Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.